Dicen que el saber no ocupa lugar y en la vida hay tanto por explorar. Si quieres crecer, si quieres brillar, la puerta está abierta. Solo hay
Okay, we're going to continue with the other part of the topic. Okay, in the last topic we talked about comparative adjectives. In this part is about superlative adjectives. Okay, so what's the difference between comparative adjective and superlative adjective? Okay, remember, comparative adjectives are about compared to things. This marker is better than this marker. Okay, the purple marker is better than a green marker. Okay, now what happens if I talk about superlative? For all these markers, the purple one is the best. This one is the best. Okay, so from one thing, well, to many things, we're gonna highlight one. Okay, so for all these markers, this one is the best. Okay, that's a superlative sentence. Okay, but what structure can we have? Okay, just follow me please and help me with this part. Okay, so we have another ending part. Okay, we're gonna follow the same rules. One syllable, two syllables with Y, or two syllables. Okay, those are the same situations. But in this section, we're not gonna use ER. We're gonna use another ending part. So please follow me. It says sheep. In this case, we're gonna write cheapest. This is the ending part, the one that we have to use. Okay, now long, longest. Okay, longest. Now with the next section, pretty, same. Prettiest, prettiest. Healthy, the same situation. Healthiest. Okay, in all of them, you have to write down, in all of them, sorry, you have to write down EST, EST at the end, or IEST, right? Now, here we have a keyword. Now you have to write down the word the at the beginning of the word, okay? To make a superlative sentence better, right? So, for example, cheapest. We can say that a lollipop is the cheapest candy, okay? Or we're gonna continue with another thing. For example, interesting, interesting. In this action, for example, we have to use the word the most interesting, okay? So maybe Spanish is the most interesting language. It could be, or English is the most interesting language, okay? So at the beginning for those words, you have to write down the prettiest, the healthiest, the longest, the cheapest, right? So those are kind of rules, okay? Delicious, same situation. The most delicious, the most delicious thing, okay? So just follow the rules. Now, obviously, we have another kind of rules for irregular adjectives, okay? We have irregular adjectives. Good, change to the best. Bad, change to the worst. For, change to the furthest, or the furthest. The farthest or the furthest, okay? So those are the rules. Remember, don't forget to write down the word the at the beginning. The best, the worst, the farthest, the furthest, okay? The healthiest, the prettiest, Okay, always, 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 right? Now, here we have another words. The same rules that we had in the last topic are going to be the same rules that we're going to have here, okay? So, big, the biggest. Tall, the tallest. Small, the smallest. Short, the shortest. Beautiful, the most beautiful. Expensive, the most expensive. Okay, the most expensive. Now, in this part, we're gonna try to write down some examples just to figure it out. Okay, just to try to understand the topic. We're gonna use, okay, in this class, we're gonna talk about, I don't remember, well, we're gonna try to remember some things, okay? I don't remember your names, but we're gonna try to write it down. Well, Luis. Luis is the tallest in the class. Okay? Luis is the tallest. Luis is the tallest in the class. Okay? So, you are 100 students. Okay? You are 100 students. So, for all of us, or all of you, Luis is the tallest. Okay? Now, another one. We have Cesar is the class. In this section, for example, we have Cesar is the strongest in the class. So you are 100 students. So for all of you, Cesar is the strongest. Okay. So remember, well, do you see? In this case, we're trying to highlight someone for the rest of you. Okay. So this is about superlative adjectives. Are different from comparative adjectives. Okay. So if you have any doubt, just let me a comment or just give me a comment. It's okay. So guys, we're gonna stop here and we're gonna continue with the next video. See you, goodbye. Have a nice day.